Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can switch your voice chat microphone in League of Legends. First of all, we have to open settings icon in the right upper corner, then go for the voice on the left side, and here focus on the input device. As you can see in my case, there's a few devices that I can select, but I'm gonna focus on the SteelSeries Sonar microphone. So click on it once. Right now we are also able to change the input volume gain by using the slider moving left or the right. Here we can also test the microphone, as you can see. So that's the test. And you can also switch the input mode between voice activity and push to talk. And here we can link the button. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.